Assalamualaikum student. Today my topic is chemical reaction of the subject chemistry. Chemical reaction, a process in which one or more substance, the reactant, are converted to one or more different substance, the product. Substance are either chemical element or compound. A chemical reaction rearrange the constituent atoms of the reactant to create different substance as product is a chemistry. Chemical is a process in which one or more substance or a reactant are converted to one or more different substance. The product, you can see the chemical reaction in the peak. Now the chemical equation reaction 2O2 plus CH4 make R 2H2 plus CO2. ऑक्सीजन और CH4 जो मिलकर है वो बना रहे हैं वाटर 2H2O प्लस CO2 कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. It's a chemical reaction. Representation of 4 basic chemical reaction types. The one is synthesis. The second is decomposition. Third, single replacement. Number 4, double replacement. 4 types of the chemical reaction are discussed. You can see in the pic. Now, chemical reactions occur when chemical bonds between two atoms between atoms are formed or broken. The substances that go into a chemical reaction are called the reactants, and the substance produced at the end of the reaction are known as a product. Understand the difference between the reactant and the product. Again explain, the substance that go into chemical reaction are called the reactant, and the substance produced at the end of the reaction are known as the product. Next, a chemical reaction happens when one or more chemicals are changed into one or more other chemicals. For example, iron and oxygen combining to make rust. Vinegar and baking soda combining to make sodium acetate, carbon dioxide and water. These are the 2 examples of the chemical reactions. Chemical reaction happens when one or more chemical are changed into one or more other chemical. You can see the example in the picture. Iron and oxygen combining to make rust. And next, the characteristic of a chemical reactions are, some characteristic of the chemical reactions are, number 1 is evaluation of gas. Formation of a precipitate, change in color, change in temperature, change in state, formation of a new substance. These are the characteristics of the chemical reaction. When the chemical reaction occurs in which evolution of gas is formed, change in color, change in temperature, change in state, formation of a new substance is a major characteristic of the chemical reactions. Thank you for listening and watching my channel.